Today we are going to start the problems of chapter number 2, vectors. So starting with the question number 6, because 1 to 5 is just easy. They're just asking about that what is vector and just simple questions. So starting with question number 6 that are important. So what is question number 6? That the following forces acts on a particle P. These are the forces F1, F2, F3 and F4 that are measured in newtons. Find there are two options, like in one we have to find the resultant of the forces, in second we have to find the magnitude of the resultant force. Okay, so first of all we'll be finding the resultant of the force. So before starting the problem we'll be writing here the data, that what F1 we are having 2i plus 3j minus 5k. F2 we are having minus 5i plus j plus 3k. F2 we are having I minus 2j plus 4k. F4 we are having 4i minus 3j minus 2k. So these are the four forces that are acting on the particle. So required we are having two things. First of all the resultant we have to find, and second the resultant magnitude. So starting with the resultant, to find the resultant we'll be adding all these forces. Okay, so here first of all we are adding I, that is 2 plus 1 and 4, that will be 7i. 7i minus 5i will be 2i. Then after adding this we get 2i. Then we'll be adding all the j. 3 plus 1j is equal to 4j. 4j minus 2 is equal to 2j. Then 2j minus 3 is equal to minus j. Then k. First of all adding these 3 and 4, 7k minus. So after adding 3 and 4 it will be 7k, and adding 5 and minus 2 will be minus 7k. So plus 7k minus 7k cancel, so there will be a 0k. So we are not writing it, so the resultant is basically 2i minus j. Now we have to find the magnitude of the resultant force. This one is the resultant. Now we have to find its magnitude. How to find the magnitude? We'll be finding the magnitude of this resultant. It will be 2 square plus minus 1 square, because the value of I is 2 and value of j is minus 1. It's here is nothing, so it means here is 1. Basically the magnitude formula is the resultant magnitude is equal to a square plus b square plus c square and so on, a square plus b square plus c. So here we are having the k is 0, so we are not counting it. So 2i minus j, 2 square plus minus 1 square. Now we'll be finding magnitude. It will be 4 square plus 1 square will be 1. Sorry, it will not be 4, it will be 4 plus 1. Then here it will be 5. So now let's check the answers. First of all this answer, the answer is first is 2i minus j. Here we are having answer 2i minus j. Second we are having radical 5. We are having the magnitude radical. It means that's correct. Now going to the next question, that is seventh question. If A is equals to this, B is equal to this, and C is this, find. We have to find first of all A, then B, then C and D. First of all, we'll be finding question number A part. So in A they are saying 2A minus B plus 3C. We have to solve these. Now we are having A value, B value and C value. Now with the help of these values we have to find the A part. Now 2, we will be writing the value of A, that is 3I minus J minus 4K, and having a cap on it. Then minus B minus 2I plus 4J minus 3K. Then we are having plus 3C, we are having I plus 2J minus K, and having cap on it. So that is, now we'll be solving it. First of all, 2 3s are 6I minus 2J minus 8K, plus then we'll be doing this minus minus plus 2I minus plus minus 4J plus 3K. Then we are having plus 3I plus 3 to the 6J minus 3K. Now we'll be adding and subtracting first of all the I values, that is 6I, 2I and 3I. All are plus values. It will be 6 plus, it will be 8, and 8 plus 3 will be 11I. Now taking J value, it will be minus 2 minus 4 plus 6. Minus 2 minus 4 will be minus 6, and minus 6 plus 6 will be cancelled, so there will be a 0. J will not be writing it now. Minus 8K minus 3K plus 3K. Minus 3K plus 3K cancel. There will be minus 8K. So 11I minus 8K is the answer. Now going to B part, that is A plus B plus C magnitude. We have to find A plus B plus C magnitude. First of all, we'll be adding them and then we'll be taking the magnitude. For A plus B plus C. Now A value is 3I minus J minus 4K minus 2I minus plus 4J minus 3K, and then C value will be I plus 2J minus K. Here I have written minus because here it will be plus, and minus 2I will be plus minus minus 2I. So now we'll be adding all these. After adding all these we get the answer, that is 2I plus 5J minus 8K. Now we'll be taking the magnitude of these. A plus B plus C, taking magnitude of these, and what's the formula of magnitude, that is A square plus B square plus C square. So here we'll be taking under root, writing 2 square plus 5 square plus minus 8 square. Four plus 5 is 25 plus 8 will be 64. So taking all these, by adding all these, the answer 93. So this is the answer, this is the magnitude of these. Now the C1 is 3a minus 2b plus 4c. We have to find the magnitude. 3a minus 2b plus 4c. We will be finding a magnitude of these. It will be 3. The value of a will be 3i minus j minus 4k. Then minus 2, b value is minus 2i plus 4j minus 3k plus 4. Now c value will be I plus 2j minus k. Now we'll be solving it. 339i minus 3j minus 12k, then minus plus 4i minus plus minus 8j minus plus 2 3 is 6k. Then having 4i plus 4 2s are 8j minus 4k. Minus 8j cancel with plus 8j. So after adding it, we'll be getting 17i minus 3j minus 10k. Now we'll be finding a magnitude of this. It will be 3a minus 2b plus 4c will be equal to, and the formula for this is a square plus b square plus c square. So when we'll be calculating it, 17 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 10 square. Seventeen square will be 289 plus 339 plus 10 10 100. Now when we'll be adding it, it will be 398. So the magnitude of 3a minus 2b plus 4c is 398 root. Now talking about D part, that is a unit vector parallel to 3a minus 2b plus 4c, that is this value. What is this? 3a minus 2b plus 4c. A unit vector. What is the formula of unit vector? The formula for the unit vector is that. So now by finding, we have to find the unit vector. That will be, now a vector, this whole, that is 3a minus 2b plus 4c, and the magnitude of all these we have find that 398 under root we have find. So that is, if you want to find again you can in this, but we have find as already. So this will be the answer of D part. Here simple, we have to told that a unit vector parallel to this vector. So this is similar. The vector will be this is the A vector, and here the magnitude of this is 398. We have put it, and it here it is a unit vector value.